The three cheetahs are following animal trails in the undergrowth. Shiloh appears to sniff the ground to work out what prey is around.
See, this is impossible. There's absolutely no way we could see this any other way.
They're also using the thick bush as cover. The closer they can get to the prey, the more likely they are to make a kill.
They're trying to get eyes on.
Odyssey creeps forward. He spots a target and freezes.
So his sister is on his left, one of them.
That's a clear sign that they're working together, because he sees the prey, stops, checks that his sister's there.
And then he's looking back to the prey.
Yeah.
And there he goes.
Oh my God.
It's Elan. Yeah, there's
That's
a
a
cheetah
youngster.
with.
My God.
There's one of his sisters is in front. It's a baby. It's a baby Elan.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
His sister Shiloh tries to trip the calf.
Oh, it's so close. Oh my goodness me. What on earth?
Odyssey is forced to swerve to avoid a thorn bush.
You see the difficulties of negotiating those bushes.
Another mom is trying to keep him away. There she goes.
My heart is in my mouth. That is quite something.
A cheetah can only sprint at top speed for 10 seconds. So the eland and her calf manage to escape.